Hey Tesla fans, it's Adir from T Sportline, and today I'll be showing you how to prep and install your T310 Model 3 18-inch Aero cover. As you can see here, we have the Aero cover. We also have the center cap, which you'll need to stick on, and then you'll have this felt that'll help protect your wheel and the cover. So let's start with the center cap. All you'll need for this is a little blade. What I like to do is kind of get the top off, then you could just peel it off. Then you're just gonna align it in the center, hold it down for a couple seconds, and it'll be stuck in place. So we'll go ahead and do that. It'll fit right in. Once you're happy with the position, you can press down and it'll stick right into place. Once you're done with that, you could flip the cover over. We recommend having it on a soft area so that you don't scratch the face of the cover. And then we're gonna be putting this felt on. So next, we're gonna install this onto the side, outer edge of the cover. So we'll start first by peeling off the backing, get a little bit off, and then we'll get it started. So make sure you put it in a good position, good starting point. You want to get it as close to the edge as possible. Once you have it in place, you could just continue on. A little bit of stretch will help, especially since it's a round edge. So you could go ahead and stretch it. Once you get to here, I'm just gonna use our blade one more time to cut it as close to the other part as possible. And there you have it. Now it's all prepped and ready to go. And next we'll show you how to install it on your car. So the next step is to remove the factory 18-inch Aero cover. You're gonna do this by grabbing the outside of the spoke on top and just popping it off. It'll come right off with a little bit of force. The first thing we want to do on this Aero cover is locate the little notch, which will go where the valve stem is, just like the factory Aero cover. So then you'll feel it kind of pop into place. And then all we need to do from this point on is first get the center in and then make sure that all the outside spokes are in place. So looks like it all went in on the first shot. If not, you just have to make sure that all the spokes are clipped into place. As you can tell, it covers the complete outside of the wheel. So if you have any existing curb rash, it is gonna cover that. It's gonna improve the look of the exterior of your car, and I think it looks great. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We have many more great videos coming your way soon.